Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Shotty23 and I'm back with another video. Got another pickup to show you guys right quick. This one's hot off the truck. Really hyped to have these. This is actually my first time purchase with this particular brand, so I didn't know what to really expect, and I can just tell you guys, super hyped about these. Bam! We've got the New Balance 997 Todd Snyder collaboration. These joints released last week. This is in coordination with the whole Pride celebration. Yeah, you got the whole LGBTQ movement going on. So this was an awesome summer release. This is also a color that I think is just dope. I'm just hyped to have these. There's so much good about this shoe. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that caught my eyes when I saw the first pictures of these online was just the color blocking. Just some dope colors, good summertime colors, pastel colors, springtime colors, whatever you want to call it. My first New Balance pickup, and I can say that I'm pretty happy with these. You know, get things started. You've got this blue, this light blue color on the toe box. I like how the toe cutout is really not smooth. It's really rugged shape, and it's got that soft leather, perforated leather there. Really quality materials being used here. Of course, made in the USA. You know, then you've got this salmon color going across the heel cap, and then also the same color on the tongue with the preparation on the leather. Then you have this stitched rainbow color New Balance made in USA as well going across the top, which was a nice touch. I also like this deeper, I don't know, I guess that's more of a salmon, and this is more like a peach colorway going across the heel cap, but this is more like a salmon up here on the cap. And then one of the coolest features, a little small touch there, that little pink strip. Now, I'm not a big pink person, but that little pink strip going across there, I don't know, just a really nice touch. And then with the reflection of the 3M, the shoe really pops. Got that light green across there on one side, on the medial side, and then on the lateral side, you know, you've just got the mostly white with a little bit of green going on there. And then the wording on there is 997 New Balance in cap. I'm not really sure about New Balance technology in shoes, but I heard these are pretty comfortable. Shouts out to my man Aero Pooch. My man's a big New Balance fan. You know, he's posted many pictures, many videos with New Balance, so you know, some of his influences kind of rubbed off on me here, so that's what spawned this purchase here. Since it's my first time with New Balance, I thought I'd give it a sniff test, see how that goes. Let's check that out. Pretty bland smell, nothing too serious, and you know, it smells like a shoe store, like a Payless shoe store or something like that. You know, it doesn't have that gluey smell, which is a good thing, I guess, but yeah, it just smells like a fresh, unworn sneaker. Let me know what you guys think. Shoe, really limited release on the Todd Snyder website. I've actually never heard of Todd Snyder before this, I'm not gonna lie. Before this release, I did see a couple of other collaborations he's done in the past, which also look pretty dope, but these right here were it. Once these caught on, so these were sitting on the website for a little bit, but then once word got out about these sold out pretty quick. So glad I got my pair. Let me know what you guys think, post a comment below. You know, would you rock these? Would you pass on these? You know, just a really dope shoe for me. Like, I think that this is probably going to be my summer shoe. You know, will this be my last New Balance purchase? Who knows? I might cop a couple of other pairs. We'll see. Till the next time, I appreciate you guys as always. Happy collecting and be easy. Peace.